how to add birds in Photoshop, coming right up. So a buddy of mine gave me an idea for a tutorial, and it's going to be really quick. How to add birds in Photoshop to your photos. It gives a little bit of a different vibe, and it's really easy. I think anyone can do it, so check it out. Alright guys, so first thing you're going to do is find yourself a picture with birds. You can download that on Shutterstock if you can type in birds or something like that. It's very simple, and it has to be a PNG format. Very important. Once you do that, once you download it on your computer, you're going to select the photo that you want to edit. I'm going to work with this one. Has a lot of contrast, has a lot of sun, which is something I would advise. Next thing you're gonna do is, I'm going to do this all over again. Open the bird layer, and once you have it opened, you're gonna go to edit and define brush preset. You're going to call it birds, click OK, and go back to your photo, and you have it as a brush. It's going to be located somewhere here. I already did it twice. And you're going to make a new layer, switch the brush to black, and just add birds. So they're going to be a little bit too big for this, so I'm going to select the whole layer, Command T, and make the birds a little bit smaller, maybe like this. Click OK, and I'm going to attach the levels layer on top of that. I'm going to clip it, and I'm going to make them a little bit brighter just because they're in the sun, maybe like this. And what you can do is add a little bit of a depth to the whole thing. So I'm going to select these both layers and click Command J and move them around a little bit. So I'm going to name this layer Birds 2. I'm going to select the whole layer with Command T again, and I'm going to move them and maybe resize them a little bit more. Just going to add them, let's say here. Click OK. Nah, I don't like how it looks. Let's repeat. Maybe here. And I'm going to resize them a little bit. Alright, that seems fine. And then I'm going to make a mask on the second layer and remove some of the birds. I'm going to switch back to the normal brush. I'm going to resize it. I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to remove some of the birds so it doesn't look too fake. Let's see this one. I'm going to do the same thing on the first layer. Make a mask and remove this one, this one, this one. Let's say this. Nope. This one. Let's take this one out. Yeah, that looks good. I think that looks good. Take this one out. Second one looks pretty good, and I think that's it. Very quick, very easy. Export or whatever you want to do. I think it's a simple tutorial. So have fun with it.